If the ice maker in your KitchenAid KRFC704FPS refrigerator stops producing ice or works inconsistently, the issue is often related to water flow, temperature settings, or a temporary system glitch. Ice makers rely on steady water supply, proper freezer temperatures, and correctly positioned components to operate smoothly. When any of these elements are interrupted, such as a blocked water line or full ice bin, the system may pause production. Fortunately, most ice maker problems can be resolved quickly with a few simple checks and a basic reset. Try these. Step 1. Check that the ice maker is turned on from the refrigerator's control panel settings. Step 2. Make sure the freezer temperature is set near 0 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 18 degrees Celsius for proper ice production. Step 3. Inspect the water supply line behind the fridge to ensure it is connected and not kinked. Step 4. Remove the ice bin and clear any stuck or clumped ice blocking the mechanism. Step 5. Reset the ice maker by turning the ice maker off for about 1 minute, then turning it back on and allowing several hours for new ice to form.